sound like a bag of microwave popcorn. Back hurt, feet swollen, still somehow outside acting irresponsible. Duck it, talking, slow it down. Meanwhile, my brain's still running wild. Whole world changed, friends got older. I still got that same dumb smile. Body say sit, mind say move. Feel say at your age, but somewhere in my head I still feel locked inside that phase. And maybe that's the problem, or maybe that's survival.